Welcome back to another video, and if you're new, a warm welcome to you too. I've got something very exciting to share with you today. Then I had a bit of a story to tell you, as I had a very bad experience when I went to collect my package at the post office. Luckily the seal on the box was still intact. This is all the social details for Varnail, should you be interested. We're going to open it and see what's in the inside. First off, there's a little goodie bag or a surprise package. And then I've received the mystery box. This giveaway was for their 4th birthday or their 4th anniversary. I'm very fortunate to have won this giveaway. That was on Instagram in the month of October. But before we're gonna get to the good part of it, I just have something to share with you, which was actually a very bad experience. When I arrived at the post office and got to the counter, I was told they already released my package to somebody else that had the same name and surname as me, the same tracking number, and then the same reference number that you would receive from the post office informing you to come and collect. But to make a long story short, the person with the same name and surname as me never received a notification from the post office and phoned in on the Monday to check on it. And whoever was assisting her that day just went into the back and was assuming that my package that was there, that was meant for her. And then she was given the same tracking number and the same reference number, but they never checked the ID number. So needless to say, we ended up in the manager's office, who has promised to try and get it resolved, and she was going to investigate. And then I did receive a call from her the next day, and she managed to resolve all the issues and my package was returned. I was just very relieved. One can only hope that they've learned a lesson and that they will take the necessary precautions in the future. But leaving that behind us, let's move on to the better part of it. We're going to start off with our goodie bag. The first item we've got is these makeup sponges. These are very helpful to do ombre designs. You can also cut it in smaller pieces. And then we've got a 100-180 buffer that is washable and disinfectable. Then the next item will be a potted gel. It's a 5-gram pot, solid gel. It seems to be a neutral color. Number 7 milk candy. We're just gonna open it and see what it looks like. This would be nice to use as a natural base color or a background color. Then we've got an ombre brush. This would be great to have to do your ombres with. Or you can also use it for watercoloring or to do some watercoloring designs. Then we've got these lovely charms. They almost look like bubbles. It's as if it's got some sort of a matte iridescent look to it. Then we've got a container with some rhinestones. It seems with a few embellishments in it. And some caviar beads. I like to work with these type of bundles that's already been made up when doing a design. Let's see what's next. Then we've got a brush holder. This is very convenient to have. This is one of the items I always forget to take out when I do a design. Then it seems that we've got a few stickers. These are some white and black images, some hearts and stars. And then the same type of images but in silver. And now we're going to get into our mystery box. And by the looks of it, this box is jam-packed. I'm just going to put it aside and then we're going to start digging in. We've got some more stickers, some glittery butterflies and some stars. And some more hearts and stars in a red glitter. These are 3D stickers, some desserts, beautiful and very colorful. Then it seems that we've got another brush. It looks like an oval brush. These type of oval brushes are very useful. It's great to use when you want to work close to the cuticle area because of the shape of it. Then we've got another brush holder. And the only reason that I do know that it's a brush holder is by watching Josie's videos, as she's a brand ambassador for Varnail. So I was able to pick it up from there. So if you do need to find out a bit more about Varnail and their products, I would suggest that you go visit Josie's channel. I will leave her details here. You can also attend her lives that she holds, where she reviews all these products from Varnail. I'm just not able to attend because of the time differences. Then we've got these lovely stars with a gem in the center. Then we've got some more charms in the form of a heart with a gem in the center. Then we've got these tiny little jelly hearts in an arrangement of colors. Then we've got these pretty little bows. This would be nice to use for a baby shower maybe, or some Hello Kitty designs. Then we've got this bronzy type of foil, almost like a foil flaky that you can use, that you can break up in smaller pieces and use on your design. And then we also have it in a pinkish color. And I'm very excited about this silicone tool. You can use it to do ombres, or you can pick up some smaller stamping images. You can also use it to apply your chrome powders. Then we've got some different types of chains that you can cut to size when you use it on a design. Now we're going to start diving into our gels. I see some potted gels. We're just going to check out the colors. This seems to be an Aurora Mermaid gel, the Purple Fantasy. And this seems to be another one in blue. That's called Legend. This color to me looks like a denim blue. The number 41 Cowboy Blue. Then we've got another solid gel. It's a number 131 Disco Daydream. So far I like what I see. Then we've got another gel polish. And it gives you all the ingredients on the packaging. It's a beautiful pinkish translucent color. It's got a bit of a shimmer to it. The next one seems to be a cat eye. It's a cat eye that says Dreamcatcher. Number 5 Milky Way. We are definitely going to do a quick swatch on these. And then the next item, and last but not least, a 5-in-1 multifunctional magnet. I don't have one of these as yet, so it's going to be fun playing with it. I'm just going to take a bit of a break, and we're going to do a quick swatch on all of these quickly. It's not going to take too long. hope you had as much fun as I did, because I haven't got any of these fun items in my collection as yet, and most of these are all new to me, so I'm gonna have fun playing with it and make use of it. A very big thank you to Varnail for the opportunity. I am pleasantly surprised with all the items that I've received. And a happy birthday to everybody at Varnail. And thank you once again for sending me all these wonderful and awesome goodies. I'm definitely going to make use of it. For those that are interested in taking a look at Varnail, I will leave all their details down in the description box. And also make sure to go visit their brand ambassador, Josie. I will also leave all her details below. Thank you once again for taking the time. I hope you've enjoyed this experience with me. Till next time, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.